So what you can see here is we've got a number of different teeth that have been traumatized in different ways. We have 2 lateral incisors with enamel dentine fractures. We have an extruded central incisor which has a sinus tract, which we can see over here. And we have an intruded central incisor that has undergone replacement resorption and is now what we know as ankylosing to the socket. So, gently tapping on the teeth, we'll hear a difference between the different sounds. This is a normal, healthy tooth. So you can hear the difference between those sounds. I'll do that again. You can hear here. Normal. That has a slightly duller sound because you've got the periodontal ligament, which means that you have a soft tissue barrier between the bone and the root, whereas this one is fused and has a different sound.